ChargePoint Holdings, known as CHPoint, is a leading electric vehicle (EV) infrastructure company based in California. As the shift towards electric vehicles continues to gain momentum, CHPoint is well positioned to capitalize on this trend. They operate one of the world's largest and most open EV charging networks, with over 115,000 charging spots globally. CHPT also offers a comprehensive set of hardware, software, and mobile solutions for every charging need, from home and commercial to fleet and public charging. CHPT offers an array of features that set it apart. They provide both Level 2 and DC fast charging stations, suitable for all types of EVs. Their software solutions include a cloud-based platform for station owners to manage their charging operations and a mobile app for drivers to locate and use stations. They also offer comprehensive support, including installation, maintenance, and 24/7 driver support. Lastly, CHPT focuses on future-proofing their solutions to accommodate the evolving EV landscape. CHPT's pricing model varies based on the type of charging solution. For home charging, the prices range from $600 to $800 per station. Commercial solutions are more varied based on factors like power level, number of ports, and software features. Prices can range from $3,000 to over $7,000 per port. They also offer subscription plans for businesses, providing cloud services and ongoing support. For drivers, charging costs vary based on location, time of day, and station owner policies. CHPT's solutions cater to a range of use cases. Homeowners can use their home charging stations, which are easy to install and use. Businesses can install stations for employees or customers, enhancing their sustainability efforts and attracting EV drivers. Fleets can benefit from their fleet charging solutions, which help optimize charging schedules and reduce operational costs. Cities and municipalities can use their public charging solutions to support EV adoption and reduce carbon emissions. One key advantage of CHPT is its extensive network, offering widespread accessibility for EV drivers. Their comprehensive solutions cater to diverse needs, making them a one-stop shop for EV charging. Their cloud-based platform and mobile app enhance user experience and operational efficiency. Furthermore, their focus on future-proofing ensures their solutions remain relevant as the EV landscape evolves. Lastly, their robust customer support enhances reliability and trust among users. Despite its strengths, CHPT also has some limitations. Their stations are currently concentrated in North America and Europe, limiting their global reach. The initial cost of their charging stations can be high, especially for commercial use. They also face stiff competition from other EV charging providers and emerging technologies. Lastly, their success is largely tied to the EV market, which, while growing, is still subject to uncertainties. CHPT is a leader in the EV charging industry with an extensive network and comprehensive solutions. They cater to diverse needs and are focused on future-proofing their offerings. However, they face challenges like geographical limitation, high costs, competition, and market uncertainties. Overall, CHPT plays a crucial role in the EV ecosystem and is well positioned to capitalize on the growth of the EV market. Thank you for joining us in exploring ChargePoint Holdings. We hope this analysis has provided valuable insights. Remember, while CHPT faces challenges, they remain a key player in the burgeoning EV market. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more in-depth analyses. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in our next video.